Hey guys, hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. Hey, listen close here. Whether you're on Instagram or Facebook here, I want you to really pay close attention to what I'm about to say here, okay? The title of this video is Why 97% of people that want something badly don't get it, okay? Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go! And I teach people how to become wealthy, and I teach people how to use their minds effectively to get what they want. Now, this is going to be a very short video here, so pay close attention. I'm going to give you two things. One, I'm going to demonstrate live to you the things that you want and desire badly: cars, homes, freedom, success, wealth, happiness, a significant other, a wife, whatever. I'm going to show you the science here in this video here on how to get it faster, and I'm going to show you what you're doing wrong, okay? Usually this type of information I charge thousands of dollars for it, but I'm going to do it for free because I believe service leads to greatness. Now pay attention here. And two, I'm going to give you some free money. Is that cool? All right, cool. Listen, I want you right now to relax, and I want you to think one thing in your mind. What is the one thing that you want badly in your life? Okay, think for a second. And I want you to comment it below. Think of one thing that you want so bad, like you're praying to God, you're trying to meditate, you're trying to manifest, you're trying to change your words, your thinking, but you really want this badly. Maybe you want to retire your mom or your parents. Maybe you want more money. Maybe you want more success. Maybe you want to leave that 9-to-5 job. Maybe you want some jewelry on the arm. Maybe you want a nice Chanel purse. Maybe you want to travel to Bora Bora butt naked on the beach, okay? Now, I want you to put that below. I'm going to show you something that's going to blow your mind, okay? Put it below. What is one thing that you want so bad? I mean, I'm talking about an intense desire for it right now, okay? Put it below. Now, but you're not getting that thing, all right? Whatever you put below that you want badly, you're not getting it, right? Let me tell you why. At the same time that you want something so badly, that you desire something so badly, you're feeling the feeling or the desire of not having that thing. Does that make sense? Let me say it one more time. Say if you want a beautiful Rolls Royce. You see me driving my Rolls Royce. I just recently purchased myself one, right? And I'm driving, I'm hanging out, I'm jamming, right? And you pull up with your Honda Accord. Nothing wrong with a Honda Accord, by the way. And you look at me, you're like, man, I want that life. Well, at the same time that you have this desire for the life or the Rolls Royce, this is the trick. This is what they don't teach you. You're feeling the emotion of not having it. You feel a little bit like, man, how can I get that? That'll never happen to me. I don't have that type of money. That's crazy. Let me give you an example. You see this watch right here? This is an AP, right? I'm trying to brag. I'm trying to prove a point here. This is an AP watch. Now, this cost me $80,000. I paid $80,000 cash for this. Now, some of you right now that's watching this might say, Wesley, I would never spend that amount of money on a watch, right? Some of you are saying, Wesley, that is a waste of money. Who would spend 80 grand on a watch, right? If I'm right, hit the like button right now if that was you. Be honest with yourself. I'm teaching you something here. Well, at the same time that most of you want better things or nicer things or whatever you define what nice is for you, you're feeling as if you're not worthy or it doesn't make sense or you can't justify it. See, a lot of you can't justify a purchase with this watch because maybe you have $1,000 in your bank account. But say if you have $5 million, would an $80,000 purchase even matter? Listen, the key or one of the ingredients of success is this: not to want anything so badly, but to have it. Okay, I want you to put that below. Listen, just listen to for 1 second here. The key to success, one of them, there's many, and the learn more button, I'm going to give you plenty, okay, is to not want anything in life so badly, okay? A watch, jewelry, clothes, cars, homes, traveling the world, a new business, a new woman, a new man. The key is not to want anything badly, but to start having it. I wasn't able to purchase my Rolls Royce, which was $400,000, until I made a decision that I didn't want a Rolls Royce. I had it. I learned this from a billionaire. He said, Wesley, you want all this stuff. This is when I was struggling, right? Sleeping on an air mattress. He said, Wesley, you want all these great things in life, but when do you make a decision, listen close here, that you have it? And I was like, what do you mean? But I don't have a Rolls Royce. Like, I don't have the ability to travel the world right now. I don't have the $80,000 watch. I don't have the Cartier bracelets on my wrist. I'm not able to retire my mom. He says, Wesley, your brain doesn't know the difference. Like, your brain doesn't know that you broke until you tell yourself that you're broke. Your brain doesn't know that you're struggling until you convince your brain that you are. See, he helped me to realize that my brain didn't know the difference from reality or the things that I was saying based off what was going on in my mind. And it's changed my life. I just started to say, people thought I was crazy too. I said, oh yeah, I have a Lamborghini. It's at the shop right now. I'm gonna get it out later, maybe in a year or so. Oh yeah, I got a brand new Rolls Royce. I have 7 cars right now. And at that time I was driving a 1988 Honda Accord, true story. I said, yeah, I got this beautiful house. I remember going to a neighborhood, $1 million houses, and walking up the street and going into houses that wasn't mine, that were being built. And people say, hey, you buying that house? I say, absolutely. We're signing the contracts right now. We're getting the deals done. I was priming and conditioning my brain as if I already had it. Key is this. It's time for you, young people. Now, in the Learn More button, I'm going to blow your mind in this video here. I'm going to give you one meditation that I use every single morning, and the reason why my life is so juicy and so great. But listen, stop wanting things badly and start having them. Here, I know you don't have the watch yet. I understand. You don't have the... Listen, say today, I am grateful that I have everything that I desire and that I want. Say it with me right now. Don't click Learn More before, because I want you to do this. This is the live demonstration. Right now, that thing that you want so badly, I want you to move from wanting to now the language of, I am grateful now that I have the new business. I am grateful now that I have the new job. I'm grateful now that I have the success that I want. I'm grateful now that I earn $10,000, $50,000 per month. I'm grateful now that I have great, empowering relationships in my life. I'm grateful right now that I'm fit, I'm healthy, I'm strong. I'm grateful right now that I'm positive, that I'm happy every single day of my life. I'm grateful right now that I've just retired my parents from working. I'm grateful right now that my entire situation has turned around. Now, one question for you. How does that feel? How does that feel? Watch this video again. How did that feel when you said, I'm grateful that I have the Lamborghini, the Mercedes Benz. I'm grateful now that I'm traveling the world. Listen. Stop wanting things badly and start having. Here's the card. Go ahead and click Learn More if you want that free meditation. I'm going to let 10 people today click that link, Learn More below. And after that, it will be disabled. Much love. Here's the gift card here. I love you. Hit the like and share button if you got any value. But don't forget to get the meditation that I use every single morning from that bed, which have manifested me over $30 million, great relationships, and great, not just money, but relationship with my children, with my family, and with you. I love you so much. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Let's go. Later.